Hello Kavya ma'am. Oh, hello Siddhi ma'am and hello Kavya. Hello everyone. My color has fallen down. इससे कर रहा हूँ. Hello Supriya ma'am. Just 2 minutes. मेरा कलर नीचे गिर गया जरा. मैं उठा रही हूँ. Am I clearly audible? And the workstation is clearly visible. Should we start with the class? Okay. Today we will be doing body art. These are the Wali pots, mini planters. These are the 2 mini planters which I have created. These are the 2 mini planters which I have created from my discarded tea and coffee containers. These were my old tea and sugar containers. I made this from my tea and discarded containers. Today I will be doing on a canvas. As I had many queries that they didn't have the containers, so I'll be sharing the same design on the canvas. So it is your choice. You want to do it on the containers or bottles or anything of your choice or canvas. It is completely optional. We'll be needing a canvas acrylic sunflower kit and the brushes. If you're doing the art of containers, so just put 1 or 2 coats of white color before doing this. Now we come to what is Wali art. This is my first session of the traditional art. We have never taken traditional art, we have just taken canvas or everything like that, but we have never taken traditional arts. So today is the first session, we are doing our traditional arts. I'll be taking some more traditional arts in future also. Firstly, the design. Design, I'll teach you how to make the Wali art figures. First, I'm applying the red color because तब जब तक वो dry होगा, then I'll teach you how to make the design. नहीं तो what will happen, जैसे कल की class में सारा it bleeded the color, so I don't want that. So I'm starting off with just giving the base. Wali art is it is not proper red color. It is a brick red color. So for making the brick red color, what we have to do is we have to take I am taking red color on the OHP sheet And in this red color, I'm mixing brown color, the burnt sienna color, which is available in the kit. This is the red color which is available in the kit. This is the burnt sienna color which is available in the kit. And in the red color, I have mixed the burnt sienna color. Siddhi, Kavya, I'm telling you how to create the figures. First of all, I'll just give a base coat to this so that it will dry. Then meanwhile, I'll tell you how to create the design. Because if I will not do this, तो कल की जैसे कल की क्लास में आपने देखा था ना मैम का कलर फैल गया था because it was not right. बस I'm just giving a base coat. मुझे ये बताना था that we have to mix the red and the brown color. That is why मैंने otherwise मैं इसको करके ही रखती. But I wanted to tell you that it is not red color. Don't forget to cover the sides. I'll take a broad brush. Hello, Arsha. I'm just giving the base so that it will dry when we work on this. Meanwhile, it will dry. I'll show you how to create the shapes. Hello, Nisha ma'am. While I keep this for drying, and now I'll explain you how to draw different figures. First of all, what is Wali art? Wali art is actually a tribe in Maharashtra, and at present, this is at present in the outskirts. We found this tribe on the outskirts of Maharashtra, basically. It is Wali tribe is in North Sahyadri range in Mumbai at present. Now Wali, what is Wali painting? Wali painting, in Wali painting, what is the basic things are that there are set of geometrical shapes like circles, squares. They use geometrical patterns to give the shape of the paintings. They create all the paintings with the help of geometrical shapes. These shapes are symbols of different types of elements in the nature. According to their thinking, the circle and the cone, which they use are generally for the observation of the nature. The circle represents sun or the moon, while the triangle depicts mountains and cones. So they make all the paintings with the help of these shapes. So first of all, Bali art is a very huge topic. So what we'll start with is, I'll tell you what are the basic things, basic shapes in the Bali art so that you can draw on your own. I'll do like this so that it will be clear. First of all, if we talk about males and females, because when we do a traditional art, we need to understand the background of that art. What is Bali art? In males, these are the two types of triangles, upward, down on each other. The triangles should be equal, and then we create the legs in this way. These are the hands. We give a small line and we create the circle. This is the basic shape of the male. And for the female, again we have to create this type of triangle. These are the hands. These are the two legs. Hello Mona ma'am. And here it is. Till this point, male and female are equal. But what is the basic difference is that we have to create a bun here. This is the basic difference between male and the female in Bali art. Now we can color also. The basic difference is the bun, from which we can identify that whether it is a male or whether it is a female. Then we come to borders. We have different types of borders in it. Like we can create like this cross pattern. Understanding the basic shape in Bali painting is very necessary. Otherwise, you will not able to do printouts. Taking printouts is very easy, but you should know how to draw the basic figures. Today we will not be doing very difficult painting. In the next session, I will take the huge one. Then one is this. As I said, they use geometrical shapes. Then we can make the border like this. These are the basic designs for the border, which you will generally see. Then one will be like this. Then we move on to birds. How we draw birds? We have drawn a triangle, then we have drawn a circle. This is her legs, and this is her tail. And then we have to color this. The triangles are usually colored. In traditional form of paintings, we cannot change the basic structure of the paintings. If we go for peacock, we can also draw peacock. This is the triangle. Now after completion, Mona ma'am, varnish करना है. Every article needs varnishing, because if you will not varnish your article, then it will get spoiled. This is the beak, and here are its feathers. This way you can create the peacock. These are generally dancing figures what we use in the Varli paintings. Then I'll show you how to create some type of trees. This is a simple type of tree. I made this line. We have to give the loops here. We cannot create the trees which we generally do in our sceneries. In traditional paintings, we just cannot do whatever we want. These are traditional paintings, we have to move in the way they are done. One way is like this, one way is like this, we can do like this. These are the various branches. And then we can create the triangles over here. This is some ignoring. This is the way you can make trees. Then there are various borders, various kind of animals. One which I have drawn on the figure. On this one, it is a horse. How to draw the Varli sun? Varli sun you can draw like this, Kavya. Make a circle. Make a small circle in between. Varli painting generally depicts the complete scene. And then small circles. This is the way we can make Wali sun. Then I'll teach you how I made the horse. Make this cross pattern first. Then this is the tail. Then these are the legs. We have 4 legs of the horse. Then this is the joining. Then we have to create a triangle over here. This is the horns. This I am creating the cow. Here are 2 eyes. And this is the little hump. And now we can color this. I'm not using a sketch pen. I'll use a sketch pen to color it. I'll do it in a fast mode then. We can create anything in Bali: elephants, horse, cow. Basic structure will be this only, and the head will change. I think it is clear. Should I teach some more shapes or should I proceed with the article? I think we should proceed with the article. Here what I have done is I have created the circle. In this circle I have created the shapes of Varli. Then I have given the border, and to give a royal look I have used golden in this to cover this. I'll check whether my canvas has dried or not. Yes, it has dried. So we'll start with the article. Thank you, Mona ma'am. Whenever actually, I generally believe that whenever we do traditional painting, we should know the background of the painting. If we will not know the background of the painting, somewhat I think it is we have not given the justice to the painting. That is why I always believe that we should know the basic background. I'm opening my red and green. I'm starting from the middle so that we can move outside and our painting is not spoiled. Hello Sushma ma'am. As this I am creating the red color, I am filling the red color. Wherever you want to give the red color, like I am filling the red color in the body. You can create on jar also or bottle also. I am creating on canvas because I will make it. I will convert it into a wall hanging. That is why I am doing it on canvas. Now I am giving the red green color, which is red and green really looks good in the body of the male person. Then this is the leaves. As I have made the circular tree. Zoom. Is it okay now? Now I am creating leaves. I'll do the black color once this is completely dry. So Sean, the zoom is perfect. Is the zoom perfect? I'm putting the yellow color in this nail. We'll do all the boundaries with the black color. This is the face. I'll share the basic the drawing which I have made on the group. Taking black color. My color is a bit thick, so I am using the dropper. I am putting a drop of water in the black color. Now I am creating the boundary, outlining I mean. I'm just moving according to the design. This is the tail. Now this male. These are the hands. We have to create a black boundary of everything in the body art, which we are doing. Mine is still wet. But जब तक अंदर का नहीं होगा, I'll not move towards the outer part because कल की तरह है ना, it will spoil their painting. These are the ears and these are the horns. And this is the little hump. These are the two eyes. Then we move towards the tree. You have to keep your brush in the vertical position. You cannot draw the tree according to yourself because, as I have told, that in Varli painting designs are fixed. You have to see whether you are making the appropriate design or not. Meena ma'am, if you are doing on glass bottle, then apply 2 coats of white. I have told earlier in the class also that I have applied 2 coats of white on this, then I have applied red color. And when I am done with this article and it is completely dried, then I have put a coat of varnish, because coat of varnish is essential to protect your articles and give them a life. जो उनका shelf life होगा, that increases with the coat of varnish. If you don't varnish, then your article in some time it will become dull. I have to do it carefully as it is still wet. I wanted to show you, मैं भूल जाऊंगी, कल का जो हमने आर्टिकल किया था उसके अंदर I have given the dabbing effect with teal blue color. I hope you are able to see. I have given the dabbing effect. I have given the teal blue with the teal blue color. I have used teal blue color, and I have given the dabbing effect. जो क्योंकि जो उस पे black हल्का हल्का सा आ गया था, that is completely now not seen. So I have changed this base. I wanted to show, मैंने रखा हुआ था ये कि मैं भूल ना जाऊँ. Now we create its hands. As it is an old man, we are giving a stick. It's completely wet. I have to redo it once it is dry. These are the legs. Now what we'll do is, we'll give a coat of black color here. Just to create the circle. What did you do, Kavya? Photo varnish? Ma'am, it is the same. I use a spray paint, spray varnish. That is the best varnish. Spray varnish is the best varnish. You can get it from any hardware store. And it is actually easy to do also. We just need to spray like a deodorant or a perfume. So it is quite easy to do. Otherwise, जो होता है उससे हमें sponge से करना पड़ता है. And often our hands also, they also stink with the smell of varnish. So I prefer the spray varnish. Directly I am taking the brush. I am giving a blue color border. The girl's dress became a square instead of a triangle. You can post me the picture, Kavya, after the class. You post me the picture. I'll tell you how to recorrect it. Okay? I'm giving a blue colored straight line. I'm using a flat brush so that I don't need a scale. I don't have to even measure it or do whatever measurements. With the flat brush I can directly do it. Just see to it that you lift it in a proper way so that a straight line is created. We have to create a golden border here, but we'll create it after once it is dried. You can do it on glass jars, plastic containers, anything of your choice. I'll make a wall hanging. That is why I have done it on the canvas. I have created a band of blue color. Now I am giving some space and I'll create a band of white color. Thank you, Mama. We have to use the colors which are easily seen. Try not to lift your brush. Now I'm taking golden. It is yet dry or yet wet, but we have to do the work. सबसे पहले we have to create the boundary. I'm not touching the black part because it is still wet. The color will smudge. That is why I'm not touching the black part. Our Fevicryl metallic colors are little transient color. You can always give a double coat. Thank you, Sushma ma'am. Now I'm creating petals like in winters the colors don't dry very fast. That is why sometimes it's an issue when we are doing a live class. What do you want to learn next? I'm planning for some nature painting in the next article, next week. And one more article. What do you want to learn? Any suggestions? Yeah, so Sushma ma'am, I'm taking landscape only. One canvas painting and one I'm thinking of taking some traditional art only. Now we are left with creating the border. I'm making a very simple border. Majestic reindeer in the forest. Okay, I'll try to cover. जो मैंने आपको इसमें बताया था already, I'm making that only. Do you want to learn Thai art? I'll make a border of this outline of this also. The border is still, the white color is still wet. Mona ma'am, did you see the yesterday's session? It is not necessary that you have to take the same pick. You can choose any border of your choice. I'll just take 2-3 minutes more to complete this. I cannot touch the canvas because it is wet. Are you finding the article good? Any comments? We're just about to finish the article. Thank you, Kavya. Since my classes have started, Kavya is one of those students who have made each and every submission, and she's just 7 years old. So we have finished with our article. This is the article which we made today for Bardhi painting. And this was on the flyer. Guys, I'm repeating myself. Please do the submissions timely. Because submissions are really, I really don't want to say, but बहुत कम submissions होते जा रहे हैं, तो it will make an issue afterwards. I'm removing the people who have not given me any submissions till date, till the time I've started off with my classes. They have not given me any submissions, so I've started removing them because I'm also making efforts. These are the 2 articles, and this is what we have made. Thank you, Sushma ma'am. Thank you everyone for joining in. We'll meet next week for some more amazing articles. I'll update on the group what we are going to make next week. Till then, please kindly make the submissions. Thank you everyone for joining. Bye.